Hi friends, this video shows how to screen mirror Vivo phone to Google TV streamer 4K device. First we need to connect both the mobile phone and Google TV streamer to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. In this mobile phone, let me go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Then go to network and internet. Go to Wi-Fi. You can see I have connected this mobile phone to Wi-Fi network named Wi-Fi 2024. See, Google TV streamer also connected to same Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. This is very important. After that, in mobile phone, go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go to Bluetooth and devices. Tap on smart mirroring. Tap on connect to a mirroring device. This phone will search and detect Chromecast enabled devices in the same Wi-Fi network. See, phone has detected Google TV streamer. Tap here. Tap on start now. See, it's working. If you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation in mobile phone, then just rotate the screen. That way you can switch display to full screen in TV. Next I will show you how we can stop this. Again, go to settings. Under this smart mirroring, you can see disconnect option. Tap on disconnect. So that way we can disconnect. Please try this. There is one more way. You can also use Google Home app. Let me tap on this Google Home app. You can install this Google Home app from Google Play Store. Then log in with the Gmail ID and password. Then tap on this devices tab. This Google Home app will automatically search and detect Chromecast enabled devices in the same Wi-Fi network. Here you can see Google Home app has detected Google TV streamer. Tap on this name. Tap on cast my screen. Tap on cast screen. Tap on start now. See, this way also we can do screen mirroring. So if you want to stop, again go to Google Home app, then tap on stop mirroring. Okay, so please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.